We're now going to check whether there is a winner in any direction. That means horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. So we've done all the hard work, and we're going to return true if there is a winner, false otherwise. So this is just, is there a winner? So what we're going to do here is we're going to just do a one statement here. So if there's a row winner, we have to make sure we pass in this board row mark, or there is a column winner, is column winner. Again, it'll be board, this time call mark. I'll put this on a separate line. And I'm going to wrap this in parentheses just so I can allow myself to put this on multiple lines. Or, I have to put a closed parentheses, or is diagonal winner, board, comma, mark. Okay. So, I can close that off over here. All right, so this will return true if there's a row winner. This will return true if there's a column winner, and this will return true if there is a diagonal winner. So it's just is winner, period. So this is like a sort of meta function that, takes in, that uses all of the hard work over here of these other three. So let's go down here, and now I'm not gonna test all three. I have tested each one of these individually. I'm just gonna say if there is a winner, print mark is a winner. Okay, so the is winner, let's make sure we have, it takes the board, mark, row, and call. So it takes all of the variables we have, board, mark, row, and call like this, and then it'll print it out. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll keep the board like this. This will not be able to check let's put one more X over here so we can check whether there is a column winner as well. Actually, that won't matter. Let's just keep it like this, and we'll change the board a little bit. All right, so let's go Python tic-tac-toe. All right, so here's our board. Let's see if we can win up here at row 0, column 1. So it just says X is a winner. We don't know if it's a row winner or column winner. We don't really care. We just want to know if there is a winner. Let's do it one more time. Let's do like a right diagonal. So 2, 2. All right, that is a winner. Great. And let's change the board a little bit to test whether we can have a column winner. So now I just have the first two over here. And let's do row 2, 0, which will place the X over here, and it says X is a winner. So we've tested all three cases again, and that looks good. So we just have this one function now, which uses the last three functions we created to test overall whether there is a winner.